Now we are going to study about IUPAC naming. Few more examples we will take to understand this thing. I have taken the examples from exercise 12a. Now first one is this. So we will select the longest possible chain. The longest possible chain will be 1, 2, 3, right? These will be out from the numbering. So these will be alkyl. So we will select the chain. We will start numbering from where the alkyl will get the smallest possible number. Either we'll start numbering from here or here. Alkyl will get the position 2. So it will be 1, 2 and 3. Alkyl is there. So in our prefix we will tell, we will name the alkyl. So alkyl how many times are present? 2 times. So 2, 2. Which alkyl is present? Methyl. So 2 times methyl is present. That is why di and methyl. Dimethyl. Now 3 carbon are there. For 3 carbon we use prop. All the single bond, no other functional group to ane. That is 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Next one. Longest chain will be this. Longest chain will be this. Now we will start numbering from where this alkyl will get the smallest possible number. So from here 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? At second position what is there? Methyl. So we will describe first 2 methyl. How many carbon are there? 4 carbon. For 4 carbon we use bute. For 4 carbon we use bute. All the single bond are there. That is why ane. 2 methyl butane. 2 methyl butanes. Next one. 1, 2, 3 carbon. Now double bond is present. So numbering will start from where this double bond will get the smallest possible number. So 1, 2 and 3. No alkyl is present, nothing is present. So directly we will write the number of carbon. How many number of carbon are there? 3. So for 3 we use prop. At fourth position double bond is present. First position to prop 1 and next is double bond is there. That is why ene. Prop 1 ene. Next. Again we will select the longest possible chain. The longest possible chain will be this, right? So these two will be alkyl. Now we will start numbering from where the alkyl will get the smallest possible number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At second position 2 methyl are present. Because these 1 carbon and from the same carbon methyl is attached. So how many times it is present? 2 times. So we will write the number 2 times. 2, 2. Because 2 times it is present. That is why di. It is alkyl, 1 carbon alkyl, that is methyl. 2, 2 dimethyl. 5 carbon are there. For 5 carbon we use pent. All the single bond, that is why ane. So 2, 2 dimethyl pentane. 2, 2 dimethyl pentane. Now see E1. Next one. Longest chain will be this. Now we will number from where this triple bond will get the smallest possible number. So from here if we start numbering 1, 2, 3, it is getting position 3. If we start from here 1, 2, 3, the number will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For 5 what we use? Pent. For 5 what we use? Pent. At second position what is present? Triple bond to pent 2 ine. Your answer will be pent 2 ine. For triple bond we use suffix ine. Next one, again triple bond is present. Firstly we will select the longest possible chain. So 1, 2, 3 and this 4. This will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because no breakage is there, so it is our longest chain. Right? A number we will start from where the triple bond will get the smallest possible number. This will be our 1, 2, 3 and this will be 4. Now this is out from the numbering, that means it is alkyl. So firstly we describe alkyl. So alkyl from where? Alkyl, that is 3. From where alkyl, that is third position where what is present? Methyl. So 3 methyl. 3 methyl. Well, how many number of carbons are there? 4 carbons. So for 4 carbons we use bute. Now triple bond is also present. But at what position triple bond is present? First. So bute 1 ine. Bute 1 I. This will be our answer. Now G. We will select the longest possible chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this is what? Chloro group, that is halide. That means we will give the numbering from where this halide will get the smallest possible number. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? At what position chlorine is present? At second position and at third position. So 2, 3. दोनों ही क्लोरीन है, that is why that is di. Chloro, for chlorine we use chloro. Alright, it is done now. No other functional group is present. How many number of carbon are there? 5. So pent. All the single bond are there to ane. So 2, 3 dichloropentane will be our answer. Now next we have to select the longest possible chain. So we will select like this. No breakage is there, right? No breakage is there. This will be our longest possible chain. This will be alkyl because it is out from the chain. That means alkyl. So पहले numbering कर लेते हैं. If we start numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alkyl is getting position 5. If we start numbering from here, 1, 2 and 3. So alkyl is getting position 3. So we will start numbering from this side. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right? At third position, what is present? Alkyl. So 3, which alkyl is present? Methyl. So 3 methyl. How many number of carbon are there? 7. 7 is there. So for 7 we use hept. All the single bond are there to heptane. So answer is 3 methyl heptane. Next one, double bond is present. So if we start numbering from here, then also it is getting position 2. If we start numbering from here, then also it is getting position 2. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 के लिए we use no alkyl is present, nothing is present. तो सीधे number of carbon atom, how many number of carbon atom? 4. तो 4 के लिए we use but. At what position double bond is present? Second position. So but to ene. Ene is a suffix of double bond. Next one, triple bond is present. Straight chain will be there. If we start numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triple bond is getting position 5. But if we start numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Triple bond is getting position 2. So we will start numbering from this side. Now for 7 we use what? Hept. For 7 we use what? Hept. All the single bond is not there. There is a triple bond. So at what position triple bond is present? Second position. What will be your and triple bond suffix is I. Triple bond suffix is I. Now no other alkyl is present. Nothing is present. So your answer will be hept to ine. Your answer will be hept to ine. Now see next. K. This is what? CHO. CHO, if functional group is present, we will not see anywhere. Directly we will start numbering from there. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many carbon are there? 6. But these two are out from the numbering. These two are out from the numbering. That means these are alkyl. So alkyl we describe first. Alkyl we name first. So at what position alkyl are present? 5. How many alkyl are present? 2. So how many times we will write the number? 2 times. 5, 5. Same alkyl is there. That is why we will write dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl. Now, how many number of carbon are there? 6. For 6 we use hex. Now, all the single bond are there. That is why we write AN. This is a rule. We write AN, not E. Agar CHO nahi, if CHO will not be present here, then we will write hexane. Full hexane likhte kaam khatam. It's over for the naming. But CHO is present, so we don't write E. In place of E, we write the position and name suffix of the particular functional group. So it is hexane 1. At first position it is present CHO and CHO is aldehyde, suffix is al. So it will be al. So 5, 5 dimethyl hexane 1 al. Now next, it is what? OH. OH is there, so we will start numbering from where the OH will get the smallest possible number. So we will start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 carbon are there, no alkyl is there. So for 5 carbon we use pent. All the single bond are there, that is why AN. Because functional group is present, so we will describe at what position functional group is present, 2. And what is present, alcohol, तो for alcohol we use OL. यहाँ पर E we don't use. In place of E, if functional group is present, then we write the position and the suffix of functional group. Now next, COOH is present. So now we will start numbering. भले कोई भी alkyl is present, but we will start numbering from where the functional group will get the smallest possible number. So numbering, because it is also C, so it will also be named. It will also be numbered. It will also be included in a numbering. So it will be first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth, and 5. The longest possible chain is 5. Now this is out from the numbering. That is why it will be naming first. That is why it will be alkyl. So at what position alkyl is present? Fourth position. Which alkyl is present? Methyl. So 4 methyl. 4 methyl. 4 methyl. 5 carbon we use pent. 5 carbon we use pent. All the single bond are there, that is why AN also we will write. At what position functional group is present? 1. What is present? Oic acid, to pentane 1 oic acid. Pentane 1 oic acid. Alright. Now next. Now see. Firstly we select the longest possible chain, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Up here it is out from the numbering and this is also out from the numbering. The numbering we will start from where these two will get the smallest possible number. So from where they will get the smallest possible number, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what is present at second? Methyl. And what else is present? Bromine. So bromine start from B and methyl start from M. So we will tell bromine first and then M according to the alphabetical order, because this we describe in a, this we name in a prefix. So firstly we describe bromine. So at first what is present? Bromine. At what position? Second. So we will write 2 bromo. It is present at second position only, but then also we will write 2 again to describe, to tell where this methyl is present. So it is present at second position, 2 methyl. That means 2 bromo, 2 methyl. How many number of carbon are there? 4. For 4 we use but. No other functional group is there, only singular bond is there, that is why ane. So name is 2 bromo, 2 methyl butane. Right? Now this is what? Bromine, and this is what? Alkyl. This is what? Alkyl. So this is what? Alkyl. Now in the alkyl and halide, we will give preference to halide. We will give preference to halide. So we will start numbering from where the halide will get the smallest possible number. Halide will get the smallest possible number. Now halide is also present and methyl is also present. We will give preference to the halide. So numbering will start from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now again third pe methyl is present. Methyl starts from M and bromine starts from B. So we will tell B first. That is bromine first. So 1 bromine is bromo. 1 bromo. At third what is present? Methyl. So 3 methyl. 1 bromo, 3 methyl. How many number of carbon are there? 4 carbon. So for 4 carbon we use but. All the single bond are there. No other functional group, that means butane. So 1 bromo, 3 methyl butane. Now next is P. Triple bond is present, so we will start numbering from where the triple bond will get the smallest possible number. So numbering will start from here. 1, 2 and 3. No other functional group, no alkyl, no halide, only carbon. So for 3 we use prop. Triple bond is there, so AN nahi lagega. Triple bond is there, that is why AN we will not use. So at what position triple bond is present? First position. What is our suffix? Ine. So prop 1 ine. Now next, this is a functional group CHO. Functional group CHO. It's this CHO group has carbon itself. That is why numbering will be 1 only. 1 carbon 1. So meth. For one carbon we use meth. All the single bond, one carbon and no double bond. This double bond is not included in a, मतलब we will not consider it as a double bond in a counting in a alkene. It is only alkane. So methane one है, only one carbon है, तो one लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So methane CHO के लिए we use al, तो name is methanol. CHO के लिए we use al, that is why name is methanol. Now next is what? OH. OH is present, so numbering will start from where the OH will get the smallest possible number. So it will start from here only, 1, 2 and 3. No other alkyl, no other things, no halide. So only this carbon. So for carbon what we use? 3 के लिए we use prop. We use prop. Now all the single bond are there, that is why propane. That is why propane. Now at what position alcohol is present? First, so propane 1 all, propanol, propane 1 all. All right. Now next, it is COOH group. COOH group. It has carbon itself, that is why it will be 1 and 2. 2 के लिए we use eth. All the single bond AN. All the single bond AN. At first position it is present to ethane 1. For COOH we use oic acid. So name will be ethane 1 oic acid. Ethane 1 oic acid. Next one is this. Only 2 carbon is there, so 1 and 2. So 2 carbon is there, chlorine is there, so 1, 2. Both पे chlorine are present, 1, 2 dichloro. 1, 2 dichloro. 2 carbon are there, that is why eth. All the single bond are there in. So its name will be 1, 2 dichloroethane. Now see, the thing is now how can you prepare the structure from the name? How can you prepare the structure from the name? So सबसे पहले we need to find root word. We need to find root word. What is root word? That is number of carbon atom. First we find out number of carbon atom. Then we will number it. Then we will do numbering. And then we will do arrange all the things. See first. Suppose we have prop 1-ene. So prop is our root word. Root word is number of carbon atom. Prop is a root word. How many number of carbon atom are present? 3 carbon atoms are present. 3 carbon atoms are present. 3 carbons are present. To see this and this. 3 carbon हो गए. Now we will do numbering. 1, 2 and 3. Up. What is there? Prop 1-ene. Ene है, that means double bond. So at what positions? First position. So यहाँ पर we will find double bond. Everything is done now. Prop है, carbon हो गया 1 position पर, ene है done. Now satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. This carbon 1, 2, how many hydrogen it requires? 2. This carbon 1, 2, 3, how many hydrogen it requires? 1. This carbon is 1, how many hydrogen it requires? 3. Alright. Now this 2, 3 dimethyl butane. So butane is our root word. But मतलब how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now do numbering. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is our numbering. Right? 2, 3 मतलब second पर and third पर. What is present? Methyl. That is CH3 and CH3. Alright. 2, 3 dimethyl we have made, butane we have made. Now satisfy all the valencies of carbon by hydrogen. This carbon will satisfy by 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. It requires only 1 hydrogen. It requires only 1 hydrogen. This requires only 1 hydrogen and this requires 3 hydrogen. Understood? Now this thing, see this 2-methyl prop 1-ene. Now firstly we have to find out the root word. Root word is prop. Prop meaning how many carbon? 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now number it 1, 2, 3. Second way, what is present? Methyl. What is present? Methyl. So here you will do methyl. At first position, what is present? Ene. That is double bond. So here we will find 2 double bond. Everything is done. 2 methyl. Second 2 methyl is done. Prop is 3 carbon. Ene. First position for ene. Done. Now satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. So this carbon requires how many hydrogen? 2. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4. This carbon is satisfied. Now this carbon is satisfied by 3 hydrogen. Alright. Rest whatever is given in your exercise 12a, just go through it, practice it and do rest of the things. Whatever is not you are not getting, just ask.